Recently, the Mar-A-Lago classified documents case against former President Donald Trump was dismissed. Let's understand what actually happened and what it means for our country. U.S. Attorney General Merrick Garland appointed a private citizen, Jack Smith, to serve as special counsel and prosecute former President Trump on a number of charges, including obstruction of justice and improper handling of classified documents. So what exactly is a special counsel? Congress established the Office of Independent Counsel in 1978. An independent counsel is an investigator who operates separately from the regular Justice Department. The role is designed to investigate high-profile cases that require an impartial approach free from political interference. That makes sense because it's important to maintain public trust in the integrity of government investigations, especially when the matter involves government officials or sensitive political situations. In fact, it's so important that the founders made clear that these types of government officers may only be established by law. The Constitution's Appointments Clause requires that all principal officers of the United States must be appointed by the President with the advice and consent of the Senate. That's why, historically, independent counsel have been government officers such as United States attorneys who already hold Senate-confirmed positions. But an independent counsel and a special counsel are not the same thing. In 1999, Congress did away with independent counsels. That's when then Attorney General Janet Reno simply created the Office of Special Counsel on her own. And that's why Jack Smith's appointment as special counsel is unconstitutional. Judge Eileen Cannon, who presides over President Trump's case, ruled that Jack Smith's role as special counsel was not established by law. And because Jack Smith is a private citizen, he has not been Senate confirmed, and his status violates the Appointments Clause of the Constitution. This argument was made in each of Jack Smith's attempts to prosecute former President Trump, but Smith nonetheless proceeded. That is, until the case came before Judge Cannon. Judge Cannon granted former President Trump's motion to dismiss the case against him because Jack Smith's prosecution relies entirely on the false premise that he is a government official with lawful authority to prosecute. According to Judge Cannon and many other legal scholars, including Justice Clarence Thomas, Smith has no such authority. So what happens next? Jack Smith and the Justice Department have indicated they will appeal. That means the case will go before the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals. The 11th Circuit is one of the more conservative courts in the nation, and it could take months before any appeal is actually heard and decided. That could throw a wrench in Jack Smith's plans to secure a federal conviction against former President Trump before the November election. In other words, Judge Cannon's decision is a devastating blow to the entire effort to prosecute former President Trump in the classified documents case. But what about the other cases President Trump faces? Judge Cannon's decision is limited to the Southern District of Florida and does not directly affect cases in New York or Washington, D.C. However, her decision raises significant questions about the legality of Jack Smith's appointment, which President Trump's legal team will almost certainly use in the Washington, D.C. case. In summary, while the dismissal in Florida marks a significant victory for President Trump, the legal battles are far from over. The Biden administration's next steps will be crucial in determining the future of these high-profile cases. To delve deeper into the issues of government accountability and weaponization, visit AmericaFirstPolicy.com. Stay informed, stay engaged, and remember, America first, always.